Ghostty versus tmux. Which tool improves workflow more? Choosing the right terminal multiplexer can completely change how you manage your tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Let's explore both options briefly. Ghostty and tmux are popular terminal multiplexers designed to enhance productivity. The core difference lies in their user interface and feature set. Ghostty focuses on a modern, user-friendly experience, while tmux is known for its flexibility and extensive configuration options. Ghostty is a modern terminal multiplexer that provides an intuitive interface for managing multiple terminal sessions. It allows users to split their terminal into multiple panes, making it easy to work on different tasks simultaneously. Ghostty offers features such as customizable layouts, easy navigation, and support for plugins, enhancing the user experience. Its strengths include a sleek design and ease of use, making it ideal for developers who prefer a visually appealing and straightforward tool. However, it may lack some advanced configuration options that seasoned users of traditional terminal multiplexers might expect. Ghostty is perfect for users who want a modern approach to terminal management without extensive setup. tmux, short for terminal multiplexer, is a powerful tool widely used in the developer community. It allows users to create, manage, and navigate multiple terminal sessions from a single window. tmux is highly customizable, enabling users to configure key bindings and appearance to fit their workflows. Its strengths include robust session management, allowing users to detach and reattach to sessions seamlessly. However, its learning curve can be steep for new users due to its reliance on command-line inputs. tmux is ideal for advanced users who appreciate flexibility and are willing to invest time in learning its features. It excels in environments where efficiency and control are paramount. When comparing Ghostty and tmux, consider how each tool fits into your workflow. Ghostty shines with its user-friendly interface, making it suitable for those who prioritize a modern aesthetic and ease of use. It is perfect for quick tasks and users who may be new to terminal multiplexers. On the other hand, tmux offers extensive flexibility and configurability, making it the go-to choice for seasoned developers who require advanced session management capabilities. For example, a developer working on multiple projects simultaneously may find tmux's ability to detach sessions invaluable. In contrast, a casual user might prefer Ghosty's simplicity for everyday tasks. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and comfort level with terminal tools. If you value a modern interface and straightforward functionality, Ghostty is the ideal choice for enhancing your workflow. For those who seek advanced features and extensive customization, tmux is the superior option. Both tools have their strengths, so choose based on your workflow needs and preferences for the best results.